Sing Nama Sankirtana according to Varaka Sampradaya. And this is not a concert. I came from India for Nama Prachar. And we are going to take some abhangs in which we can sing some Rupa Bahata, Sundar Vidhyana, then Nama Sankirtan, and then a small abhang and some explanation of that abhanga, and we will finish the program. So this is about the program finishes at 7 o'clock. So today we start with Nama Sankirtana. This is Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare. And this is not in a Hindustani style. This is a Varkari style. And you all can sing behind me. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hare. Jai Jai Ram Ram Krishna Hare Today we are going to sing one abhanga. चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, डोले निवतील कान, मनात येते समाधान. संत महंत होतील भेटी, आनंदे नाचो वाळवंटी. जे तीर्थाचे माहेर, सर्व सुखाचे भांडार. जन्म नाही रे अनेक, तुका म्हणी माझी भाग. I tell this abhanga in a shloka way. You repeat, then you will go for abhanga. Right? चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू. रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, डोळे निवतील कान, डोळे निवतील कान. मनात येथे समाधान, मनात येथे समाधान. संत महंत होतील भेटी, संत महंत होतील भेटी. आनंदे नाचो वाळवंटी, आनंदे नाचो वाळवंटी. डोळे निवतील कान, मनात येथे समाधान. जे तीर्थाचे माहेर, जे तीर्थाचे माहेर. सर्व सुखाचे भांडार. डोळे निवतील कान, मनात येते समाधान. जन्म नाही रे अनेक, जन्म नाही रे अनेक. तुका म्हणे माझी भाक. डोळे निवतील कान, मनात येते समाधान. We'll sing in a simple tune, then we'll go for a Sangeet tune. चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, चला चला पंढरीसी जाऊ. रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू. रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, रखुमा पंढरीसी जाऊ, चला पंढरीसी जाऊ. रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू. रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, रखुमा देवी वरा निवतील कान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते संत महंत होतील भेटी आनंदे नाचू वाळवंती आनंदे नाचू वाळवंती आनंदे नाचू वाळवंती डोळे निवतील कान डोळे निवतील कान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते समाधान तीर्थाचे माहेर जे तीर्थाचे माहेर सर्व सुखाचे भांडार सर्व सुखाचे भांडार डोळे निवतील कान डोळे निवतील कान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते समाधान जन्म नाही रे आणिक 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 तुका म्हणे माझी भाग तुका म्हणे माझी भाग तुका म्हणे माझी भाग जन्म नाही रे आणिक तुका म्हणे माझी भाग जन्म नाही रे आणिक 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 तुका म्हणे माझी भाग तुका म्हणे माझी भाग तुका म्हणे माझी भाग जन्म नाही रे आणिक तुका म्हणे माझी भाग तुका म्हणे माझी भाग डोळे निवतील कान डोळे निवतील कान डोळे निवतील कान डोळे निवतील कान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते समाधान मनाते ते समाधान डोळे निवतील कान मनाते ते समाधान विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा जय जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा इज विठ्ठल रखुमाई इज रुक्मिणी जय विठोबा रखुमाई विठोबा रखुमाई चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, चला पंढरीसी जाऊ. चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, जाऊ चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, जाऊ चला मनाते थे समाधान, मनाते थे समाधान, मनाते थे समाधान, मनाते थे
You are
चला पंढरीसी जाऊ, रखुमा देवी वरा पाहू, डोळे निवतील कान, मना तेथे समाधान. संत महंत होतील भेटी, आनंदे नाचू वाळवंटी. डोळे निवतील कान, मना तेथे समाधान. जे तीर्थाचे माहेर, सर्व सुखाचे भांडार. डोळे निवतील कान, मना तेथे समाधान. जन्म नाही रे आणिक, तुका म्हणे माझी भाक. डोळे निवतील कान, मना तेथे समाधान. विठ्ठल जगद्गुरु संत श्रेष्ठ तुकाराम महाराज is inviting everyone to Pandharpur. Pandharpur is a city near Solapur in Maharashtra, India. 60 kilometers away from Sola. Tukaram Maharaj Jagadguru is inviting everyone to Pandharpur. Chala, come on, let's go to Pandharpur. Chala Pandharisi Jao. Everyone goes to Paris, Italy, Swiss, Scotland. That's good. Good sceneries. I enjoy this Scotland very much. Very good sceneries. That's Bhumatacha Saundarya. Bhudevicha Saundarya Bhagan. We Varakari, we enjoy Vitthal everywhere. Not only in India. We enjoy Vitthal Saundarya, Lavanya of Vithala. Vitthal is dwelling in a Jagadrupa. I can see Vitthal through mountains. I can see Vitthal through yards and farms. Of course. But you can get this kind of view. This is Yoga Drishti. And other people will see Scotland in Bhoga Drishti. There's two ways of seeing a thing. Yoga Drishti and Bhoga Drishti. Lot of fruits. If you think that we can have a milkshake, then it's like a Bhoga Drishti. You see, we can have a Naivedya for Krishna and we take as a prasad. This is Yoga Drishti. You can have same milkshake after offering to Panduranga. After offering for Krishna. That's called Yoga Drishti. Not giving to anyone. Just you will have Indriya Ruchi Sarike, Haritati Pakanike. Just to satisfy our Indriya senses. If you do something, if you do cook something, just to satisfy your Indriyas, then it's called Bhoga. If you cook something just for offering for God, that's Yoga. And take it as prasad. Bhagavan is not refusing anything. And a bhakta will enjoy a scenery. And other Laukika people enjoy the scenery. Nirala, cook. There is a lot of difference between these two visions. If you come to Pandharpur, Vitthal is ready to give you Yoga Drishti for you. We all long for Sukha, right? Even Muni Rishi, they can say, I don't want house. I don't want wife, I don't want to marry something, I don't want marriage, I don't want anything. But he wants sukha. He can't neglect sukha. Sukha lagi kari sitalamar. Sant Namdev Maharaj is singing this song. Sukha lagi kari sitalamar. Lagi kari sitalamar. Everyone wants sukha, right? For that purpose you are starving more, you are working more, and you are searching more for sukha. And if you get something, that you may imagine that object you can get that object for sukha. It can give you only for short. We all work for sukha, happiness. Sukha lagi kari sitalamar. Talamar kata, talamar. Ratra dinno talamar. Sukha lagi. Just for getting happiness. Why are you going here and there? I will give you one upaya, one way to get that permanent sukha, permanent happiness, imperishable happiness. What is that way? Taritu pandhari si jaya ek vela. Taritu pandhari si jaya ek vela. Magatu avadhanji sukha rupa ho. Magatu avadhanji sukha rupa ho. Taritu pandhari si jaya ek vela. Taritu pandhari si jaya ek vela. Magatu avadhanji sukha rupa ho. Magatu avadhanji sukha rupa ho. Sukha lagi kari sitalamar. Then come to Pandharpur. If you ask them, if I come to Pandharpur, can I get this sukha? You can't get sukha, you will become sukha rupa. Magatu avaghachi sukha rupa hos. You will become sukha rupa then. You can't distribute to anyone. You are not going to get sukha from Pandharpur. When you enter Pandharpur, you will become sukha rupa. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Bhakta is santushta satatam yogi yatatma dhrada nischaya mai arpita manobuddhihi yo mad bhaktaha sameh priya. Bhaktas are ever happy, no worries. Harichya bhakta nahi bhaya chinta dukkha nivarita narayana. Dukkha nivarita narayana. Harichya bhakta nahi bhaya chinta. There is no worries and no bhaya, no fear. No fear and no worries for Hari Bhakta. If you have fear and bhaya, fear and worries, then we are not bhakta according to Pandharpur. We want to become a bhakta. If you want to get rid of all these things, you should be a sukharupa. You yourself should be a sukha avastha. You should not get sukha from outside. You should have sukha yourself. Sukha avastha. So, Tukaram Maharaj is calling everyone, inviting everyone for Pandharpur. Come on, chala Pandhari si जाऊ. पंढरीला जाऊन काय करायचं? कोण आहे तिथे? आपली मायबाप आहे बघा. रखुमा देवीवरा पाहू. Vithal's Rukmani Devi's husband is there. Rukma Devi Vara Pahu. We can see. साक्षात वैकुंठाधिपति, देवादिदेव, अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक. Upanishad says there is no form, no rupa, no color. The same Parabrahma is standing on the bridge on Pandharpur, keeping his two hands on the hip, waiting for you. There, Panduranga is waiting for Bhakta. Bhakta is not waiting for Panduranga. In Pandharpur, Panduranga is waiting for you. Vata pahe ubha bhetichi avadi kripalu tatadi utavir. Vata pahe ubha bhetichi avadi. He is waiting for you. Please come to Pandharpur. When you see him, Dole nivati latan manateti samadhan. You will get Hari Kirtan for your ears. You will get Sundar Rupa for your eyes. And your mana will be shant. Beauty is different. And beauty of Krishna is different. If you enjoy the beauty of Krishna, you feel the whole world is beautiful. If you enjoy only the beauty of Scotland, you never enjoy beauty of Oxford. This is not like Scotland. And this is not like that. This is not like this. You have compared. But if you really enjoy the beauty of Krishna, then you enjoy everything is beautiful. You understand that everything is beautiful. No bheda. The beauty which makes everything beautiful is called real beauty. You understand? So, Dole nivati lakana manatete samadhana. You will have darshan of Panduranga. You will have Hari Kirtan to listen. In Pandharpur, there is no Brahmotsava, Pakshotsava. There is no Utsava like that. Rathotsava. They have only one Utsava, that is Namotsava. All 365 days, you can hear Nama Sankirtan in Pandharpur. Even today. I am not a Maharashtrian, but I sing Abha. I understand Marathi. थोड़ा communication करते बोलू शकतो. I can even communicate in Marathi. But my mother tongue is Tamil. Singing Marathi, speaking in English. I am not used to speak in English in my country. And he is Maharashtrian. I am Tamilian. Both came to Scotland singing bhajan for one national integration, international integration. This is only can be done only by satsanga, not by political laws and other things. It's beyond borders. See, we came in a North Indian temple. Krishna Rukmani belongs to Vrindavan. Ram belongs to Ayodhya, and Balaji belongs to Tirupati, everyone, and Vitthal belongs to Pandharpur. Now Tamilian is following me, my Marathi Kirtan. I don't know, these people sing very nicely, and they join the Kirtan now. And you also enjoying. Everyone comes together. The divinity unites everyone. It's called divinity. You will not separate. Me Marathi hai. Tumi kaun? Kai nahi. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, Marathi च्या नगरी ब्रह्मविद्येचा सुखाळू करी घेणे देणे सुखची करी हो देया जगा. Mauli Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, I have written commentary on Bhagavad Gita called Jnaneshwari, not just to keep in Maharashtra. Just distribute all over the world. वितरण करो. सगळ्यांकडे वाढू. Just give to everyone in the universe. वारक संप्रदाय म्हणजे universal संप्रदाय. It's not Maharashtrian संप्रदाय. Understand? विश्वाचा संप्रदाय, विश्व संप्रदाय, म्हणून आपण म्हणतो, म्हणून वी कॉल माऊली as विश्व माऊली, is mother for the universe. It's not only for Maharashtra. So, डोळे निवतील कान मनात येते समाधान. You will get समाधान. Satsanga gives you समाधान, peace mind, inner peace. Just relax. संत महंत होतील भेटी. It is very difficult to have a darshan of sadhu. It's very difficult. It is very easy to have darshan of Panduranga and Krishna. If you come to Hindu Center, you will have darshan. You're always there. From 1981, 83, yeah. I have read in that stone outside, 1981 or 83 something. He is there standing for 30, 40, 43 years. You can have darshan, but sadhu darshan is not possible. साधू दर्शन म्हणजे बहुत सुकृतांची जोडी. You need fortune. You need bhagya to have darshan of sadhu. It is very difficult. And Pandharpur, if you go to Pandharpur, you will always have a darshan of sadhu. Everywhere sadhu will be there. Anytime. In Mahakumbha, go after 10 days, no Naga sadhu will be available there. Right? They will go to their own place. 24 into 365 days, sadhus are available in Pandharpur. Whenever you go, you can have sadhu darshan. संत महंत होतील भेटी. Just have bheti. Bheti is darshan. Just darshan is more than enough. Need not to listen to their pravachan kirtan, need not to live with them. Just a darshan. More than enough. धन्याजी दिन संत दर्शनांचा. धन्याजी दिन संत दर्शनांचा. संत दर्शनांचा अनंत जन्मीचा क्षीण गेला. क्षीण गेला अनंत जन्मीचा क्षीण गेला. मज वाट त्यासी आलिंगन द्यावे. मज वाट त्यासी आलिंगन द्यावे. कदान सोडावे चरण त्याचे. कदान सोडावे चरण त्याचे. त्रिविध तपासी जाळी गोळवण. जाळी गोळवण देखील या चरण वैष्णवांचे. वैष्णवांचे देखील या चरण वैष्णवांचे. धन्य आज दिन संत दर्शनांचा. संत दर्शन इज very durlabha. So you can get Sant darshan in Pandharpur. Please come. Please do come. When you have darshan of sadhu, your all sorrows will be go out. Your mana will be in a samadhana way. You will get peace. Je tirtha che maher. It is the maher, hometown of all kshetras and tirthas. Pandharpur. All Kashi, Dwaraka, Vrindavan, Ayodhya, everything is embodied in Pandharpur. Who is Rama? Panduranga himself Rama. Who is Vishwanath? Panduranga himself Vishwanatha. Who is Krishna? Panduranga himself Krishna. Vrindavan, Pandharpur itself Vrindavan. Everywhere I have pramana. I don't have time to give you all pramanas. Just I am explaining you this. Je tirthache maher. सर्व तीर्थांचा माहेर आहे पंढरपूर. सर्व सुखाचे भांडार, कितीतरी सुख दे. You can get sukha from Pandharpur and it will not go down. The sukha till today, even today, the Pandharpur sukha is sukha. So some kshetra will be there. Long ago, that kshetra was like Bhuvaikuntha. Now it is gone. Some sadhu were there in that kshetra. After his death, the kshetra is gone. It's not like that. Pandharpur still, you can feel this Bhuvaikuntha. There is no bar inside kshetra. There is no cinema theaters. There is no gudka shop. Nothing. Pandharpur is Pandharpur. No Kali is coming, is not entering Kali even today. Kali is not going to enter. Kali is not entering that city. You can have you will see so many shops, nearly about 350, 400 shops, which sell tala, mridanga, harmonium, gatha, books, bukka, kumkum, prasad. No other shops are there. In Ekadashi, all hotels are locked. Even the hotel is open, you can get only the item which is you can eat only in Ekadashi days. That's sabudana, vada, like that. You can't get chapati in Ekadashi, even in hotel. Understand? That is called Pandharpur. When you enter Pandharpur, then you can decide, this is our last journey. You are not going to take birth again because we have entered Pandharpur. Janma nahi re anika. तुकामणी माझी भाग सत्य प्रमाण करून जातो. I promise you that you will not have Janma hereafter after entering Pandharpur. So this is Kshetra Mahima. So I invite everyone to Pandharpur. Whenever you visit India, you come to Maharashtra near Solapur. We have our own ashram in Pandharpur. We have rooms. We are arranging for Nitya Nadana in that Pandharpur ashram. No charge. We are doing a seva. You all come to Pandharpur. You can get contact from Sitaji, Swetaji and everyone. And you can see the details in website vishwavarkarisamsthan.com. We have YouTube channels. I usually do Kirtan in Tamil, but what to do now? Everyone want to understand, so I little bit tried in English. I am not that much fluent in my English, even though I tried. My Tamil is very fluent, my Sanskrit is very fluent, and English and Marathi little here and there. So, this is my seva for Krishna and Rukmini, Krishna and Radha. So this Abhang, take home subject is this. Thank you. Take home subject is this. Do chant Ram Krishna Hari mantra every day. And whenever you come to India, please visit Pandharpur, Panduranga, and you become Sukharupa then. So this is the only prarthana to you all. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari mantra. Just for 2 minutes. Just for 2 minutes. Every day. Right? Every day chant Ram Krishna Hari. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari. Ram Ramayati Krishna Karshati Aikyanandato Hari Manuna Ram Krishna Hari. Ramana Shabda means it makes you enjoy. The tattva which makes you enjoy is Ramana. The tattva which attracts you is Krishna. The tattva will give you oneness is Hari. So this is not name of God, this is a tattva. Rama is not only Kodan Rama. Rama is Tattva. Krishna is only not Krishna. Krishna is a Tattva. And Hari is Tattva. So Rama, Krishna, Hari. You all know Mahamantra. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. The factorization of Mahamantra is Ram, Krishna, Hare. Ram, Krishna, Hare. Okay, just 2 minutes daily. If you are very stable in this, if you are going to give Panduranga just 2 minutes a day, constantly, months together, then he is ready to give his sukha for you in that 2 minutes. No restrictions. Just you have to give 2 minutes. Just sit in one place. Just do Jai Ram Krishna, Jai Ram Krishna, Jai Ram Krishna, Jai Ram Krishna. This is only prarthana for you. I request everyone to do Nama Sankirtan in your house. Chant Ram Krishna Hari. Please don't worry. Na Janmana hi re aani ka, Janmana hi re aani ka. Tukamane Maji Bhaga, Tukamane Maji Bhaga, Ore Manate the samadhana, Manate samadhana, Manate the samadhana, manate the samadhana, dole nivadi Jnaneshwara Maharaj महाराज की, जगत गुरु श्री तुकाराम महाराज की, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की, सब संतनों की धर्म की जय हो। अधर्म का प्राणियों में विश्व का कल्याण हो। हर हर महादेव। गोमाता की, भूमाता की, भारत माता की, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की, पतित पावन भगवान नाम की, भागवत धर्म की। पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि, पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि, पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि। Thank you very much.
Krishna Hari. On behalf of Vishnu Varkari Samsthan, we would like to thank the Edinburgh Hindu Mandir and Nama Sankirtana team for organizing this event for us. A very quick introduction about Maharaj. Dr. Raghunath Das Maharaj, he is from Kadenallur in Tamil Nadu, India. He has got a doctorate in Jnaneshwari, which is Bhagavad Gita's Bhavarth, which Maharaj mentioned during Kirtan. And he also won the Best Dissertation Award from Shastra University for his work there. He is one of the first people to start propagating Jnaneshwari, start teaching Jnaneshwari in Tamil for people across the world. So there are about 5,000 people who are learning from him online through Zoom in various countries, of course India, but also includes US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and UAE countries right now. Maharaj actively performs in a lot of forums and a lot of events in India as well as abroad. He recently had a month's tour in Australia, and now he's in UK, and next he's going to go to US. And all this only with Seva Bhava. There is no money exchange or no demand for so much money we need or anything like that. Maharaj's Guru is his father, Tukaram Ganpati Maharaj. He was here with us in 2023 in UK. We didn't come up to Scotland that time. So this is the Samsthan's first time here in Scotland, and it's lovely to see so many of you here. The main activities of Samsthan is Go Seva. So they have about 60 cows in Kadenallur, and the cows are all aged cows or diseased cows mostly, who otherwise don't get protection anywhere else. So the Samsthan looks after Go Seva. There is a donation opportunity there where it's £1,000 rupees, £10 per person per month towards the Go Seva. So if you are interested, you can contact us and we can give you more details. The Samsthan also, as Maharaj said, they have a mutt in Pandharpur. So they do all these seva, like they provide accommodation, they provide food. They take us to Varkari Yatra every year as well. And anybody who wants to know more about Varkari Yatra or visiting Pandharpur, please do get in touch. Again, any of your contributions will go towards Samsthan's dharmic activities. Samsthan has got a lot of publications. There is a monthly magazine in Tamil, which is called Margadarshan, which is sent via email for us abroad, and it's printed in India for those living in India. So again, more details on that, please let me know. We have brought some publications with us today. Some of it is in English and very, very few in Tamil as well, and a lot of it for children as well. So after this session, we're going to have a bookstall, so please do have a look at the books. And there is only suggested donations for the book, and any money you contribute towards that, again, goes towards Samsthan's dharmic activities. Apart from that, in the UK, we organize classes. There are online classes. The only fees we expect for the class is dedication and commitment. There is no other fees. And I know this is more difficult. It's easy to give £10 per class and not attend than giving your commitment and dedication. But so we have Jnaneshwari class, which happens in Tamil, which Maharaj teaches on a Saturday. There is Jnaneshwari class in English. So a lot of Maharashtrian people also join that class, and a lot of Hindi people also join the Jnaneshwari in English. By Dr. Keshav Ram, who is Maharaj's Sishya for over 18-20 years now, and he does a great job there. So, so if you're interested in that, you can join. There is Parivar class. So we teach children, it's only 2 classes a month, just like how Maharaj did today. So we sing an abang, we explain the meaning of the abang in more detail. It's only 1 hour per week, and it's only twice a month. So if you have children aged 9 and above, it's a Zoom class. I know we send our children to so many classes, Kumon and this and that, and I think this is a great way for them to get introduced to our roots. And there is also classes for adults. So there's Parivar class in Tamil and Marathi. So any details about the classes, please contact me, or Sita Lakshmi ji, you can get my number from her. If you have the original poster, it will also have my number there. So please do get in touch with me. My name is Sweta. I live in Oxford. And thank you so much for coming. Another big project Maharaj has undertaken is Gurukulam. So they have started Bhakta Vrindam, a Gurukulam for boys. It's a residential Gurukulam for boys aged between 7 to 11. It is with the intention of getting this generation to understand and to experience the traditional way of learning. And they also learn the regular education, but they also have a lot of dharmic education in their curriculum. So there are about 15 children right now in Gurukulam. And there is a project that Maharaj has undertaken where we are building a proper curriculum with all the eco-friendly material and things like that. If you're interested in like architectural side of it as well, we have a lot of information about how eco-friendly building is and stuff. So one of the options to donate is like for every 3 square foot, it's like £100 donation. So you can choose if you're able to do that donation, you could do that as well. Or if you prefer to donate in India, that's also possible. Just get in touch and we can tell you how you can do that.
Regarding Gurukulam, I want to share something for you. See, our Sanatana Dharma is based on Gurukulam. We send children for academic studies, but they don't get any time to learn our Sanatana Dharma. Because they have a lot of pressure to study and withhold their studies and other things. They go for tuition, they go for other training. So we started a Gurukulam where they can also study academy and Sanatana Dharma. We teach Bhagavata, Ramayana, Abhanga, everything, including academy study according to Indian knowledge system, IKS. If you Google it, IKS, then you will get a lot of sources. Mathematics according to Lilavati, written by Bhaskaracharya, everything in Sutra. So they can calculate like this. And even science, and even agriculture. Everything, our India has a rich knowledge that is embedded in Sanskrit languages. And these children will speak in Sanskrit, speak in Tamil, that is Matrubhasha, and speak in English. Spoken English, spoken Sanskrit, and spoken Tamil. And these languages, and they live according to Ayurveda. After getting disease, you should not go to Ayurveda. You have to turn your pattern, lifestyle in Ayurveda, then you will not get anything. So this is the Sanatana Dharmic way of life. And we get children when they are 7 to 11 and they are staying till they complete their college life. They are staying with us. So yeah, the children will be in our house for at least 10 to 20 years. So they study academic, they get certificate, and they also will have a Paramathic attitude, Sanatana Dharmic way, and culture, rich in culture. So we don't see caste and creed. We admit everyone in our curriculum, but the limit of admission is only 20. I can't manage beyond 20. So I want to care individual, each and everyone. I want to give individual attention. So I admit only 20. Now it is 15. And the people who send these children, they are economically back, very poor. So, although we are not going to charge anyone, so we are sponsoring for everyone, food, everything, clothes, everything are sponsoring Gurukulam. And this Gurukulam children is very creative and very active. And they are very much, no gadgets, no cell phone, no any other thing, but still they learn technologies and everything. They learn computer. They can study whatever they want in academic study. The people who admit their children, they should not tell me that my children, we should become a doctor, engineer. That students can decide. Parents cannot decide that. according to their interest, they can grow, they can explore anything. If they want to go in sports, hello. If they are going to involve themselves in music, okay. They are themselves in philosophy, okay. Even doctor, engineer, whatever they can study whatever they want. This is the Gurukulam structure. Those who want to sponsor or adapt one children, welcome, and you can contact Shweta ji about other sponsoring. These are all not compulsory, I am just leaving to you. And this is lot of dharmic activities is running by Samsthan, and Maharaj have selected me as a Uttaraadhikari of that Samsthan. So I came here just to propagate this dharma and nama sankirtana and get something for dharmic activities. Thank you very much.
I would like to introduce Prasad Jadhav Maharaj, who has come from Pune today to play the Bhagwaj, and the young man on Tal is Venkatesh. He has come all the way from Australia.
धन्यवाद. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. कृष्णेति मंगलम नामं यस्य वाचित् प्रवर्तते भस्मी भवन्ति तस्यासु महापातक कोटया. तो आज एडिंबरा हिंदू मंदिर में अद्भुत और सुंदर भगवान जी के नाम संकीर्तन का यह दिव्य और भव्य आयोजन आप सभी के लिए मंदिर की ओर से मैं चंदनम पुष्पम नास्ति वाक् पुष्पैहि पूजितम मया. संस्कृत में भी कहते हैं कि चंदन पुष्प की जरूरत नहीं, वाक् पुष्प ही सब काफी है कि आपका वाक् पुष्प से हम स्वागत करते हैं. और सुंदर भव्य आयोजन के लिए आप सभी का एडिंबरा हिंदू मंदिर की ओर से मैं हार्दिक अभिवादन और स्वागत करता हूँ. पहले आपके स्टार्टिंग में नहीं पहुँच पाए, लेकिन यहाँ पर समारोह रूप में आपके समक्ष हूँ, तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नाम संकीर्तनम यस्य सर्व पाप प्रणाशनम. सभी प्रकार के पाप दूर होते हैं वो भगवान के नाम के संकीर्तन से. तो आज अद्भुत और दिव्य नाम संकीर्तन हुआ, और वैसे भी चिंता, संता, मेहनता, रोग, ये भगवान का सभी प्रकार की चिंता है वो हन करने के लिए, उसको दूर करने के लिए भगवान नारायण का स्मरण. और शास्त्री जी वैसे भी संस्कृत में भी पारंगत है और सभी प्रकार से भाषाओं में भी पारंगत है. तो इसमें साहित्य, संगीत, कला विहीनम साक्षात कुछ नहीं. सभी प्रकार से जीवन में साहित्य और संगीत होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ साहित्य भी है, संगीत भी है. तो इसके लिए भी खूब आनंद आया. और हरि सर्वत्र सर्वदा, भगवान सभी जगह है, बस उसको भाव से और प्रेम से बुलाए. प्रहलाद जी के जैसे स्तंभों में भी मिल जाएंगे नरसिंह रूप में. और भगवती लक्ष्मण जी के लिए बहुत सुंदर यहाँ पर उनको कीर्तन सुनने को मिला. मैं द्वारिका से हूँ, तो भगवान द्वारका से लक्ष्मण जी का मंदिर 1 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर है, लेकिन यहाँ भाव से भगवान को आपने बहुत सुंदर तरीके से अपना मिला दिया. और वर्ष पूरे विश्व का फर्स्ट लेटर लिखा तो भगवती लक्ष्मण जी ने लिखा है. श्रुत्वा गुणा भुवन सुंदर सुनवतान्ते. गुण सुंदर से ही, सुनने से ही भगवान को पा लिया और प्राप्त करने की इच्छा के लिए सीमा भगवती का आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से गुणगान गया. इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. लास्ट में अपनी अभिलाषा और गुरुआज्ञा जो भी है आपने व्यक्त की कि गुरुकुल बनाने की, बहुत सुंदर आयोजन है. आप सबसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग उसमें योगदान दें. कुछ टेम्पलेट या कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन हो तो प्लीज हमको भी देके जाए, तो हम भी जितना भी हो सके यहाँ से सबको टेम्पलेट या सब कुछ कहेंगे. क्योंकि अन्नदानम महादानम विद्यादानम अतः परम अन्येन क्षणिका तृप्तिर यावत् जीवम च विद्या. अन्न से तो क्षणिक तृप्ति होगी, लेकिन विद्या से पूरे जीवन तक तृप्त रहेंगे. और कहते हैं कि विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते हैं. तो यहाँ पर विदेश की भूमि में भी विद्वान होंगे तो सभी जगह पूजन होगा. ऐसे ही अधिक समय न लेते हुए मंदिर की मुख्य आरती स्टार्ट करेंगे। पुनः आपको भूरी भूरी अभिवादन सह नमस्कार प्रणाम, और आपके आगमन से यहाँ देवी और भव्य वातावरण हुआ, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। अभी मंदिर की आरती करेंगे, फिर सभी लोग खड़े हो जाए और मंदिर के भगवान जी के सामने दर्शन करें। थैंक यू।